Hello students, so here is how we can actually work on the following questions from class work 2, right? So what happened when we have x squared equals to 2 and 7 over 9? So what I will do first is to rewrite the fraction as improper fraction, okay? That will give us some clarity on what we need to do next. So if we do this, x is equals to, okay, so 2 times 9 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, that gives us 25 over 9. So this is x squared, right? So what happened? Now take note that when we go from x squared equals to a certain value, and when we want to find x, we need to have actually two solutions because this is a quadratic, right? So the most straightforward way to do that is to write down x equals to both the positive and the negative aspect of square root 25 over 9. That means x is actually equals to positive or negative 5 over 3, right? Now, moving on to part B. Now, part B, we have a square root of 100. Now, square root of 100 is equals to 10, right? So this is a common misconception by some students that if you take the action of square root of 100, you take positive or negative 10. That's not true, right? The square root of 10 of 100 is equals to 10, right? If you want the negative aspect, it will be the negative of the square root 100, right? So in this case, it's quite straightforward. 2a is actually equals to positive 10. That means a is equals to 5, right? We just have to divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. Right, part C. Now, part C, what happened is we have the a cube in the denominator. So what we can do is actually, if we have a fraction equals to a value or to another fraction, the reciprocals are actually equal. So the quickest way to actually solve this question is to actually get the reciprocal. So negative a cube over 2, which is the reciprocal, this will be equals to 1 over 16, right? So that means negative a cube is equals to, multiply by 2 on both sides, we have 1 over 8. Okay, so dividing both sides by negative 1 or multiply both sides by negative 1, a cube is actually equals to negative 1 over 8. Therefore, a, if I take the cube root of negative 1 over 8, will be negative half. And for part D, now part D is a cubic equation again, but this time round, good thing is when we try to simplify this, y cube is equals to 28 minus 1 give us 27. Now 27 happens to be a perfect cube. Therefore, y will simply be equals to 3. Okay, so for quadratic, take note we have two solutions, but for linear and cubic, there's only one solution. Okay, I hope you have been successful. If not, do your corrections and learn from our mistakes, right? Have a nice day.